Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with CurlyMe hair once again. So this time CurlyMe decided to send me a 13x4 lace frontal wig in 26 inches and 250 density. It is their black and gray highlight wig. Let me just start by saying this wig is actually the true representation of the wigs that we see go viral all the time with the black and gray. I don't know what these other companies are doing, but they're not touching CurlyMe, okay? Because this wig is true to the black and gray. I've had like 2 highlight wigs before this where it was just fully gray, barely any black, and I hated it. Like, it was just not giving what they said it was supposed to give. So CurlyMe, you definitely did that. So thank you so much for actually providing good quality, top of the line hair. So like I said, really lightweight. I'm loving this wig. It's lightweight and full, perfect for the springtime, the summertime, where you know it's really hot outside. So I'm loving this for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop rambling. The links for this wig will be in the description box, as well as a coupon code so you could get some monies off. CurlyMe is definitely giving you guys a bang for your buck with this one, because this wig is super affordable. So definitely do not forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into today's tutorial. Finally finished with this install. This wig is from CurlyMe Hair, and they sent me their gray and black highlight wig in 26 inches, and it is 250 density. This is a really full, thick wig. It's very lightweight, but it's very full. The wig is super dense, and actually I'm surprised I got it to get this flat. I'm very happy about this. 26 inches of cuteness, and it is a 13x4 frontal wig. I'm loving the lace. It's not HD. I think it's a transparent lace, but the install is everything. The lace, oh my god, it actually blends really well with my skin once I use my foundation to tint it. And I just literally use this black opal foundation. Girl, I do not know the shade. Like, it's busted, so I just use that and it just blends really well. So this lace is good lace, definitely some good lace. So if you would like to go ahead and purchase this wig from CurlyMe Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. I have nothing negative to say. This wig is absolutely stunning. I love how this is not like all the others where it's like almost everything is looking gray. You have a lot of black to this wig, and I love that. I love that they took into consideration the black part of the gray and black highlight. Yeah, so I'm seeing black streaks and I'm loving it. It's giving what they said it was gonna give. So thank you so much to CurlyMe Hair for sending this absolutely amazing wig. And if you would like to purchase, the links will be in the description box to do so, as well as a coupon code, so definitely do not forget to go ahead and check that out. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye mamas.